Well, we are at home. I'm at home now and giving my presentation from here. And it's a pity that we couldn't be in Prague to meet in person there. I did enjoy the conference. I attended all the talks I could. It was a pity that there were some talks in parallel, but still it was very, very interesting. And today my presentation is kind of the final presentation for this conference. So I will not go much into technical details there. We have seen lots of technology, a lot of approaches, a lot of very different, interesting things there. My talk will stay a bit, have a top-down look there, basically a look from above onto the subject of autonomous driving trucks. It's not a total survey of all the things, but it will give a bit of a spotlight on some issues on and will hopefully tell you what it is with these autonomous trucks, how they can be put onto the roads, and what the near future will have with them. Just a moment, I need to go to the pic. So now, yeah, I was already introduced. I work in the ADAS division of Knorr-Bremse. ADAS is the advanced driver assistance systems, and I was there only since a year, and our department is working on actually software for autonomously driving trucks. So that's very interesting, and I hope I can share a little bit of the things there that I've come across, and you will see that this is a very, very interesting and very up-to-date topic now. The presentation will give a background about autonomous trucks, about driver assistance systems. I will talk specifically about the challenges of trucks. There are some specific things that are different than for cars, for example, and I will point that out. And I will give an outlook on what the future brings. And I will show a few examples of those trucks, and hopefully you will enjoy and take something away from this presentation. Briefly about Knorr-Bremse. Not everybody knows this, but Knorr-Bremse is a leading provider for braking systems in trucks, in buses, in trailers, agricultural machines, but also in rail systems. We have two divisions, trucks and rail systems. And in fact, in rail, we are a world leader in all kinds of things related to the rails, meaning braking systems, equipment for trains. And there's a decades of expertise in developing specific things for trucks, and especially, of course, braking systems. So there's the pneumatics, mechanics, electronics, control engineering. So as a company, we do have much expertise in this domain. And now we are applying this expertise towards autonomous driving, and we hope that this will be a way forward. The question is, why autonomous trucks? Of course, the question might also be why autonomous cars, but for trucks, there are some very specific things. Of course, the general thing for autonomy is always safety. And I've seen this also today, just before